How are we going, Facebook world? Cameron Stewart calling in, just out here in New Lynn. It's the 4th of June, and just got a bit of a wee unit over here behind me, a 2-bedroom unit. So I thought I'd just show you through. This is obviously the first video out of 4. So the beginning of the project, and then you'll see it at the end. So watch this space turning in a dump into a home. So just bear with me. So it's just a 2-bedroom unit. There's 5 units in this space. So you've got a single garage here, and that's got like a laundry area here. So we'll just keep that there, and then there's a bit of like a garden area at the back there. It's in New Lynn, this property. So some of this wood will need replaced. There's a bit of rot, so we'll fix all of that. All of this stuff here will get replaced and fixed. This here also, as you can see, there's some damage. So there's like a little sort of courtyard here. We'll pull that fence down and just put a new fence. So that's, you look at that glass, beautiful, retro glass. And then in here, this is the lounge. So all of this will get replaced. So as you can see, pull that fireplace out. All this will be replaced, new lighting. This wall here, we'll just open that up, just so that there's a bit of a breakfast bar. So in here, you've got the gun kitchen maker here, John, making it happen. And then this window thing here, which is stupid, it's internal, we'll close that in. This is one of the main 2 bedrooms, so you've got like a bit of a seat thing here. So quite spacious rooms. Then in here, you've got obviously a bathroom. As you can see, the beautiful mould growing on the roof, where dreams are made. And you've got obviously an old bath and everything in here, so that will be all ripped out. And that's the master bedroom there. 2nd bedroom. So they're good sized double bedrooms. And then you look out the back to the garden, which is obviously in dire need of a weeding. But good sized unit actually. It's quite spacious. And then you've got out the back here, and then you've got, goes out here. As you can see, it's looking back into the garage, and that's just out the back. So this should be a pretty quick turnaround, I reckon 4 weeks maximum, and we'll be done, out the door, sold, on to the next one. So have a great day, guys. We'll see you soon. Cameron signing out. How are we doing, Facebook? Cameron Stewart calling in here. Cracker day up here, cracker winter's day up here in Auckland, just out here in New Lynn at the unit. Just wanted to do a second video from a progress point of view, so just thought I'd just show you around. We're around 1 week away from completion up here, so just wanted to show you the update, what's been done thus far, and you'll see obviously there's been a few changes here, and we're on the home run now, so hoping to have everything completed by Tuesday this following week. So we're on the home run, so bear with me. I'll just spin this camera around and you'll see the progress at the New Lynn unit. So around put a new garage door. Obviously all of this is brand new. It's all been had new boards and etc. put around it. Inside, we've obviously cleaned out the garage, and obviously be a new super tub going in there as far as the laundry is concerned. So now it's a really good size single garage, new electric door, which is quite cool. Really just modernises it and makes it look quite good, and in unison with the unit beside. Around here, all this cladding here was obviously rotten, so that's been replaced, which is cool. Obviously we've put new fencing here, and as you can see, made a bit of a courtyard, and put a new fence up here, straightened up this fence here because that was sort of falling over. So really good little courtyard area in here. So it's like a really good little private area, which is quite cool. So there was 2 trees like that, but we cut the other one down. We're getting rid of this ugly glass that's going to get replaced. Obviously this is all getting cut in and painted and stuff on the outside. Put all new flashings up, all new spouting right along both of the units to make them unison. Obviously new door here. Now inside you've got obviously good, nice, open plan living. Obviously you've got all the lights, down lights going up there. Heat pump's going to be going on that wall. New kitchens in. Obviously all of this backing here will be tiled. So we'll be putting a heat pump on this wall here. All new kitchen, all new hot water services will be going into here. So it's quite a spacious unit. You know, really good. You know, it has a really good feel to it. Sorry, I had someone just called in. So nice open plan, and then this obviously goes through into the master room, and that seat there we've got the seat cushions that were there getting recovered, or they've been recovered. So all this is obviously getting painted up in here. And then in here we've obviously got a new, all been relined with Aqualine. New shower there, be new vanity there, and then we've got a bath. So that's quite cool. Good size bathroom really for a wee unit, and obviously new toilet going to be going in there. And obviously the painting and stuff's underway, and all the jib ceilings have all been ripped down, etc. So that's the new Lynn unit. Where only a few days from completion here, so that's pretty awesome, and on to the next one. So we'll see you at the next video on completion. Cameron signing out. How are we doing, Facebook? Cameron Stewart calling in. Another overcast and wet day here in Auckland today. Thought I'd just do my third video on the new Lynn unit renovation that's just been completed. It's all been cleaned and stuff now, so thought I'd show you through. If you want to see the progress of this project, go back to videos 1 and 2, and you'll see from when it started to what it looks like now is quite a bit different. So it's quite a good product now, and ready for its new owners. So just bear with me. I will spin this camera around and show you around. So it's a 70 square metre unit, so we've obviously done a bit of recladding on the outside, in here in the garage. This is where the laundry is, so it's just been all painted in here obviously. New super tub, all painted walls, and obviously new electric door and new door. So that's all new, and it matches the unit beside too. So new electric door, and obviously been painted as well. On the exterior, obviously some straightening of fences, fixing, put some new fencing in here to rip the other stuff down, and so it's got a good courtyard now. That's the front of it. All new spouting, all new flashings and cladding on the exterior of here. It was broken and damaged, etc. So it's quite a good sort of courtyard now. Took the ugly glass off the bottom of the window, so that's made a big difference. And I'll show you inside. I painted that. In here we've done something a little bit different. Did floating, sort of a floating floor, so it's kind of like an oak kind of look, but it's actually sort of floats on sort of this sort of soft like underlay, so it's sort of, yeah, it's quite good actually. So we've got the ranch slider here, all new curtains and blinds obviously. So blinds, and we've just got the curtains here, so actually it's come up quite good. It's quite spacious. So you've got the new kitchen, all Eastone bench, new appliances. The cleaners were here the other day, gave it a bit of a clean up, so that's good. All new hot water services, all new mains pressure plumbing. Also new heat pump, new lighting, etc. All new jib. Actually, this one needs to come down too. So it looks quite good with the blinds down actually. And then this is a master bedroom. So we've got the seats recovered here, all new curtains, new carpet underlay, all new door handles, etc. All new bathroom shower with a bath as well, also a vanity. Just a 3-in-1 lighting. Oh, that's the fly screen off there. New toilet, and then obviously new carpet and stuff here as well. So it's yeah, it looks pretty good. So like I said, if you want to see the progress videos, I don't try to do these videos on quite a few houses, just to give people a bit of perspective. You can go back and see video 1 and video 2, that will give you an idea of what this was like originally. So hope you're all having an awesome day, and my name's Cameron Stewart from Get Into Property Limited, and we'll see you next time. Over and out.